Alright, this is hack country.
It's raining harder now than when we left.
Alright, so
It's gonna be on my side.
I'm-o. I'm-o. Oh, look, there's one way up there. It's hack country for you.
We'll come back by here.
When it's not raining.
I don't know. There's one there
Two
too.
Payne condensers.
Okay.
There's one hidden up in the weeds there.
There's one right here.
There's a Payne condenser. Matched with air handlers just suspended indoors. Whatever. There's another Payne condenser. Two of them actually. Bridge components. I'll be a son of a gun.
What? What?
Look at Payne condensers up on the roof. There's 4 of them just like that.
So help me.
Country for you. There's that one again, up there by the vent thingy.
If I could just always see how to get out of these places, it would be wonderful.
Alright. I don't see anything else. So, over and out.